What up YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate it so much. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Today I have for you a new subscription box. Okay, so a while back I let go of all my subscriptions except for BoxyCharm, and slowly I'm adding some of them back. Ipsy for add-ons, for cheap add-ons, and now this one just because I love lashes. So the thought of a subscription box for lashes made me very happy, and it is a really good price in my opinion. So the one that I have, it gives 4 pairs of lashes and a makeup product. So I'm going to go through and show you the lashes and the makeup product, and then I am going to try them on for you. I was saying to myself, if you were watching an unboxing of a lash video, would you want to see them just in the box, or would you want to see them on somebody's eyes? And I said, you would like to see them on somebody's eyes, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, folks, 4 pairs of lashes. The first one is called A Peony for Your Thoughts, and I believe the brand is Aloha. And these are premium 3D faux mink. So there it is. I'm going to take them out of the box. I just wanted you to see the box because it's so pretty. Maybe with my hand behind it you can see them better. Gorgeous. Spoiler, I like all of them. Next is also by Aloha, and it is called Rose All Day. I would think rosé, but there's no accent mark. And since I received this subscription box, I found that LashyBox has their own brand of lashes, LashyBox lashes. And these are also, I believe, yes, 3D faux mink. Here's this one. This one is called Poppin'. My ring light is playing monkey business with the glare, so these are poppin'. Super dramatic. And the last one is called Wink. All right, folks, and so many times I buy false lashes and they just kind of sit in the box, and I just usually kind of go to the ones that I know that I love over and over again. So trying these on for you will kind of force me to try some new ones and hopefully find some new ones that I love. Now the makeup product, now the makeup item is this cute little palette, and it's called the Cosmo. It's by Rude Cosmetics. And this looks the same. It's a beautiful palette. Kind of basic, kind of neutral, but it does have some interesting colors in it. Sorry about the mirror. I'll swatch some of them for you. I'm gonna swatch Girls One Night Stand, Happy Hour, Hookup, and Karaoke. Ooh, that one right there has a cool shift. So hey, they look pretty pigmented actually. beautiful colors. Look at the shift on that second one. Nice. I like it. So this will go in my stack of haven't filmed with yet. And we will get on to trying on these lashes. I'm excited. Alright guys, that is it for me. I showed you all 4 pair. I don't know which ones are my favorite. I think maybe these because they are so dramatic. But I would not recommend putting on lashes 4 times in a row in one day. Just saying. I think I'm going to have like an inch thick of glue on my eye. But I want to know, which ones did you like the best? We got, the first one was a peony for your thoughts. The second one was rose all day. The third one was wink. And the fourth one was pop it. Which one do you like the best? Tell me down in the comment section. But yeah, if you're interested in this box, I will put the information down below. There's several different variations that you can get for different prices. Like I said, the one that I got has 4 pairs of lashes and 1 makeup product for $16.99 a month. And so, but I'll put all the other variations down in the info box for you and a link so that you can get there if you are interested in getting this subscription. I'm excited about it. It's something new and I love lashes, and so you guys know I'm going to be into it at least for a little while. So let me know what you think. If you like the unboxing, if this is something you're interested in, let me know what you think. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my videos. You don't. And don't forget to put down in the comment section which one is your favorite. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. And a big winky wink wink with my poppin' eyelash. Bye guys. And it was pretty regular. Ugh. So the thought of a prescription